Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you're highly welcome. And if you are not subscribe and be part of this great family. Yes, so my people, I don't see come back again. I don't see bring another matter, another gist wey dey inside gist, my people. This woman wey una dey see so, her name na Mariam Musa from Osun State. Na im something for even happen na Osun State na im she for come from, my people. Wetin dis woman do, my people? No be by to fly from night to na be say you be wish o. Some people just dey this life, the kind heart wey they get, the kind jealousy, wickedness wey dey inside dem, dey even pass all those people wey dey fly for night. This woman, wetin she do, my people? Because according to the story, na she be the first wife of the man. As she no bear child na the man go marry another woman. As the man go marry another woman, una know say some men dey like that. Once they will marry new wife, the new wife go dey totori dem everything. They dey carry the new wife like say maybe na egg. They dey carry the new wife, nothing wey dem no fit do to please that new wife. While the one wey dem don first marry, they'll come abandon those one. All those one will come be old cargo. So men like that for that Naija, they do am, and which is very bad. No matter what say the tradition permit you to marry 2 or 3 wives, the hand wey you take treat the first wife, you still use am take treat the second wife, even the third one. All of them equally. No be say you come love one pass the other one, while you come dislike the other one. E no good. But some men dey do that kind thing. Once they see new wife, e be like people wey see news, wey see sardine, the something wey dey shark dem for body, be like say they drink ogogoro. Well, this lady na she be the first wife of the man. As she dey there, she no bear child. And the second wife wey dem marry, that one come born male child. You know say Nigeria men, I don't know why male child, the way they shark them for body, e just dey shark them like say maybe another thing not even dey, like say tomorrow not even dey. Male child or female child, all of them are pikin. Una no see all those male child wey dey Naija na, wey all of them, some of them kidnapping, raping, gbogbo my people. Na although na that time years back, 100 years ago, na people dey say male child na something. To the wetin man go fit do, woman can do it more better. Anyone wey God give person, e good make person dey appreciate am. No be to say because na you born male child, na you born female child, because of that one, because you no born male child, I no come love you as my wife. My people, that kind thing na e no good, and that kind thing dey destroy home. Wetin this woman do, this Mariam, so this Mariam, she dey conceive now with belle, my people. And the second wife born male child. Now the man come dey treat the second wife alpha and omega, come dey treat the male child. The male child dey 3 years old. The man come dey treat them like say maybe they be king and queen, all those kind of thing. This woman now, she come dey grow hatred for inside her belle. Say now she be the first wife, while her husband no dey treat am like the way they treat the second wife. Abi na because she no bear male child. If you know say you marry, you never born, or the man marry, go marry another wife wey you know say you no fit bear am, my people, na just to comot for the marriage. Then you come dey there, your heart will come dey grow heaviness, jealousy and everything. You just comot. If you know say you no fit bear how the man take dey treat you, or the way your husband dey treat the second wife, you comot for there. Than to stay inside there, you come dey grow hatred and everything. My people, as the man dey treat the second wife love, dey show the second wife love and everything, this woman na her mind come dey grow jealousy, everything, my people. As I talk before, no be people wey dey fly for night na be wish o. Some people just dey this life. Some people dey wey their heart e be like stone, wey their heart e be like wish sef. Na this woman heart come dey grow jealousy and everything, and she no come fit bear the something again. Her own stepson, this woman come poison her own stepson. My people, make una see jealousy wey dey some kind people mind, because she say the husband dey treat the second wife because the second wife bear male child. Like she now wey she dey conceive now, if e be say na male child na she wan born now, I no know why some people be like that. You know say your husband dey maltreat you bad because he married to a new wife, you comot for the marriage. Marriage no be by do or by die. E no mean say una wait for church or una do traditional say it's against the law, say you no fit leave the man. No, we even say the evil sign ourselves. Not e dey like that. You comot for the marriage, than you come dey there, your heart will come dey bleed, you come grow heaviness for the second wife, for the new wife. No, you come, the man say you be the first wife. This woman, my people, he just carry poison. Now he give this pikin, oh, the pikin, 3 years old pikin. My people, ask me wetin the 3 years old pikin come do. Whether na the 3 years old pikin na cause the frustration put for her body. The child na just innocent. The child don't know anything about wetin dey go on for the house. This woman just carry poison. He just give the pikin drink, and say drink, and they come rush the pikin go hospital. On the 31st of December na the pikin come RIP. As he be RIP now, I know say they come dey check her and manage the pikin take die. The pikin come die. They come carry on the investigation. Now this woman come use her own mouth take talk and say na she poison the pikin. Say because they come dey ask am why you do that such evil thing. Say because since wey the man marry the mother, the way his husband dey treat the woman, she no like am. She dey jealous and everything because the woman born male child na, the husband no dey give am face again. The husband no dey call am for night again. Because of that one, na she come decide to poison the small pikin. Make una just see wetin grown up woman dey talk come out for mouth. Say because your husband no dey show you love. If you know say your husband first dey show you love, you no dey show you love because of the new wife, you comot for there, than you will come commit adultery, or than you come commit abomination. Just kill one, just small pikin, wey the small pikin no even know wetin dem dey do for life. 3 years old pikin. Just imagine the kind jealousy wey dey some people heart. You come lead them to commit and havoc. My people, na this woman come narrate everything, say na because of that one na she do the something take poison the small pikin. My people, my question is that if you know say you dey with man, your husband go marry another wife join you, if you know say you no fit bear am, say the man dey kiss am for your front, e dey do anything, e dey do everything for your front, if you know say you no fit bear the something again, you no fit resist am again, na to comot for the marriage. Marriage is not by do or by die. Say you come dey there, from there na your heart will come dey grow jealousy. You wetin you no suppose to do before, you come do am because your husband dey show your second wife, dey show the second wife or the third wife love. You comot for there. Now the lady, now this Mariam Musa, now she dey police custody with her own pregnancy. Make una see wetin some women, and the pikin wey she dey wey e dey her belle now, that one I see innocent. See una see wetin some people dey cause, wetin dem dey use their hand because of jealousy, because of hatred. How can you just hate someone like that to that extent? You just send that person, you just give an RIP. My people, this one is too much. This one is wickedness. In it not be all those, why, as I talked before, not be by to fly for night to night be wish. So people did this life where their heart be like stone, their heart be like a fire. No. This one is too bad.
It's too bad, my people. Just imagine, he just give that small pikin RIP because his husband love the mother pass her. No, it's so bad, my people. It's so bad. And some men had there, if una know say una wan marry 10 wife or 3 wives, say the tradition permit una, at least the one that take treat the first one, man still use that hand take treat the new wife. The one that take treat the new wife, when man still use and take treat the new one. No be say you now come love one pass one. E no good. Because the time una dey toast dem na love una dey demonstrate for there. If una don marry dem na una come dey develop I love one pass the other one. E no suppose to be like that. As why say the tradition permit una to marry 10 wife as una want. At least the 10 wife una still use one hand take care of all those 10 wives. No be so una go love one pass the other one. Me, I no even know why some men sef they'll go dey marry 10 wives, 2 wives, 3 wives. The first one no be say they go fit take care of the first one, or in the name I married to many wives. Abeg, men had there, make una still change. And women had there, if una know say una husband marry join una, say una no fit bear the something, make una comot than una come stay there. Una mind go come dey bitter like a bitter leaf. Well, my people, I just say me I come knack the story, come give una wetin dey happen for that Nigeria and Osun State. Na this one for happen. What do you think, my people? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye and ciao ciao.